Well, folks, today we're going to check out Mission City Grill. It's a family-owned establishment. They feature some amazing cuisine. You're going to find about later.
Thank you, sir.
But you'll see this is the perfect place to find your happy place. Let's look around. The decorations are rustic but inviting. No attention to detail has been missed. Let's check out the menu, shall we? While they do have an impressive menu, I heard from a little bird that they have prime rib on Sundays, and I definitely think we're going to go for that. So, let's see what all comes with the ticket.
Here we have a lovely tomato basil with restaurant-made croutons. Let's go ahead and dig in. Prediction, it's going to be delicious. It's got really good body to it too. Just the right thickness of nappe. It's not real watery. It's got a good cream to it. Let's see how it tastes. As predicted, you can really taste the difference between store-bought croutons and homemade, or in this case, restaurant-made croutons. And they really help put it over the edge. All in all, a lovely soup. Good to the last drop. Oh, look at that. Thank you, sir. Look at that amazing cut of meat. Well, folks, it's Sunday. That means it's prime rib day. Nice little cup of au jus. Baked potato, broccolini. Let's dig into it, huh? Shall we? Look how vibrant the broccolini is. No attention to detail was lost. They even seasoned the baked potato. Let's see how this broccolini tastes. So fresh, so delicious. It's not just steamed, it's actually sauteed. It seems like they've cooked it with butter and salt. It really pops. And that's just a vegetable. We haven't even dug into the main attraction yet. All right, we've sampled the broccolini, we've sampled the baked potato, which was really nice. Now let's put the true center piece to the test. Let's see how the prime rib is, shall we? Look at how beautiful it is. It's got a really good crust to it. The seasoning is on point. The meat is perfectly cooked for prime rib. The juices run clear, but it's not overcooked. It really is delicious. You need to come down here to Mission City Grill and give them a little bit of your hard-earned money. They deserve every penny you give them. They really go above and beyond.